Welcome to the Moving Man. We're going to review our position time graphs here. And if you want the link to check this out, it is in the description. It's one of the PhET simulations. And here's our Moving Man. Well, he's not moving very much right now. He's looking good with a suit. There's no tie. That's okay. If we see he's just at a position here of 0 meters, let's see if, when he's at rest what the graph looks like. If we hit play, oh, just as you predicted, right? A nice constant line of 0 position right here, right? And if you do notice too, the slope of this line is 0. There's no slope, it's horizontal. And slope of position time graphs tells you about velocity, which if the slope is 0, the velocity is 0. And that's true. He's just standing there hanging out. But what if we get him moving? That's his name anyway, the Moving Man. Let's get him moving here at a constant velocity and see what that graph looks like. Here we go. Constant velocity. Well, that's pretty nice and good, right? All right. So here he moved to the right at a constant velocity. We see we have a nice positively sloped line right there for the most part. And if we recall, again, slope corresponds to velocity. So if we have a positive slope here, he had a positive velocity, which positive velocities are over here to the right. He's moving away from where he started. Okay, I need to move him back to 0 here for a minute, everybody. Okay, let's pause. That's clear. All right, he's back. He's almost at 0. Is that going to bother everybody? Close to 0 as possible. Okay. Now let's see what the graph looks like if he is moving the other direction at a negative velocity, right? Here we go. Oh, that's nice, huh? All right, for the most part, this is a negative slope, and slope indicates velocity, so it's a negative velocity, which is true. We move to the left in the other direction, thus having a negative velocity. All right, let's put it back at 0 here for a minute. Try to clear it out. Pause it. Let's see what happens when he accelerates, and I will do my best. No pressure. Oh, that's great. Okay, so if we see he accelerated to the right, his velocity was increasing. If we look here, we have a slope that is constantly increasing as well, right? It keeps getting steeper and steeper and steeper and steeper and steeper, and we know that corresponds to this curve showing that he has a positive acceleration rate. Since the slope is increasing, his velocity is increasing as well. All right, you're going to be good to go for the next part of the activity. Thank you.